Where is the power button on ASUS laptop? Understanding ASUS laptop designs. Varied form factors and keyboard integrations. Evolving design trends and brand-specific features. Locating the power button on ASUS laptops. Traditional placement above the keyboard. Integration with the keyboard layout. Side or edge placement for easy access. Touch-based buttons or sensors on premium models. Tips for locating the power button. Consult the user manual for specific instructions. Consult the user manual for specific instructions. Examine laptop edges, sides, and look for visual indicators. Utilize online resources like ASUS's official website.